Hi guys, and welcome for this new review of a new Rutch phone. So it's called the Blackview BV5000. So Blackview usually manufacture a regular smartphone but not Rutch phone. So it's the first of their range, and we'll see how it goes. We received the BV5000 in orange, so it's available in black or also in camouflage, green camouflage. And it doesn't look like a real Rutch phone. It's more like a city Rutch phone, so it's quite flat. It's not very bulky. I have here the number one X6800, which is already a quite slim Rutch phone, and the BV5000 is still slimmer than this one. Also, usually here we have soft plastic combined with hard plastic, and in this one we have only a hard plastic. Even the shock absorber here are made with the same plastic as here. So for me it doesn't look very tough, but I have seen a video on the web showing that it's really waterproof. Okay, so this is the screen at full bright, so it's bright enough to be used outside, but today it's not a shiny day, so maybe if it's shiny it will be more difficult to read. If we look at the phone, so on the side we have this metal frame with a button here and the sound level right here. Down we have nothing, and up here so we have the jack for earphone, and on the other side we have the USB, and as you can see it's quite watertight. On the back we have the camera with a flash, and the loudspeaker is down here, and here we have the webcam. So according to Blackview, the BV5000 is triple proof, so it's watertight, dust proof and shock proof. Even though Adobe it's really shock proof, because as you can see also the glass is 2.25 G glass, and it's just outside the case, so in terms of if it got an impact here, I'm sure the glass might not resist. But now let's see if it's really watertight. So we can open the back like that. So in order to be more shock resistant, Blackview supply screw. So you can see here you have 4 places where you can just screw the back here. So once you open, you have this protection, which looks like soft silicone protection, and then you access to the battery. Now it's a big battery. It's a 5000 milliamps per hour battery. It's quite big. This is how it looks inside. So here I have put additional micro SD card, and you have it's a double SIM, so you have one SIM down and one SIM up. Let's put back the battery. So here you have the loudspeaker, and also it's protected by rubber, so it really looks waterproof. And actually I saw some videos on the internet showing that the phone is really waterproof. When you put it in the water, actually you just have drops of water outside here, but nothing inside. But the difficult part is really to adjust this part correctly, so it really does be waterproof. Okay, and you have also here a warning from the manufacturer. Okay, let's start the phone again. Okay, while it started, let's review the box. Let's say it's Blackview. It gives some of the features. So it's a 5-inch screen, it's a HD screen, 13 megapixel camera, which is good for a rush phone, and it has 2 GB of RAM, 16 of ROM. And you see here the color, so I said camouflage, so this is called sunny orange, and we have black violet, violet black. So it comes with a pretty good charger. It's available in US or European plugs here, and it's 2 amps, so it's with a quick charge. You have the cable with a very long plug here. Also, it can do a power bank, so you can, with the Blackview, charge another phone, thanks to the big battery, and you will need that. It comes also with a screen protection, some more warnings, and a quick start guide in color, and some earplugs. So let's first look what's inside. So we launch the AnTuTu tester. Okay, here is a score just above 20,000, which is not bad for a rush phone. Usually they are well above, below 20,000. For a normal smartphone, it could be considered as low, as now you have a lot of phones around 35,000. Okay, let's look at the GPU, how it performs. It's almost 4,000 with the HD screen. So let's look at other informations. So we got the Android version, so it's 64 bits, and it's the 5.1, which is good. For the CPU, so it's the MediaTek MT6735, which is a new CPU introduced in 2015. And the Mali is T720, so the screen resolution, 13 megapixel for the camera. We have the 2 GB of RAM here, and the storage is from the 16 is down to 1238 in total, and we have added a micro SD card. So it's also the low speed CPU, so it's the 6745 has at least 2 versions, the 1.2 GHz and the 1 GHz, and this is the 1 GHz. The good thing is that the autonomy will be bigger in this one. You have the density of the screen. Let's test the multi-touch. So it's a 5-dot. It's also a 5 megapixel camera in front, which is good. It doesn't have the NFC, so you cannot pay with a phone, and it has a few sensors: gyroscope, accelerometer, light, e-boussole, so e-compass, proximity, and that's all. So it doesn't have the barometer, temperature, like some LPS A9 or X8 has. This one doesn't have. So as you can see, it's fast. It has some cool widget here for music, for photos. Here we have the galleries. Let's look at some video. So this is a webcam video. This is inside the photo shot. So it's not bad actually. You can really use the video. This is a night view. You can really use the camera in this phone. Parameters. Let's put it in English first. So you see all the languages. So what do we have? We have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, HOC, so it's to share information with two phones. If you have the same MediaTek CPU, SIM card management, hotspot, display, gesture motion, sound, storage, battery, apps. And gesture unlock, so for example you draw a C like that and the phone just switch on, sorry. Or double click. It's neat. Security account, reset, so on. Printer. Okay, so we have music, we have calendar. So here we have the phone interface, contacts, short message, and internet. Here we have a Blackview Xender. It allows you to see the app, go to the photos, gallery, music, video. So it's kind of a super explorer. Calculator, camera, clock, download, email, Facebook, file manager. You have a FM radio, Gmail, Google settings, maps. Okay. The real Play Store. Search, toolkit, sound recorder, to-do, torch, Twitter, video. Let's see how it goes with videos. So we have the quality of the sound also.
Tonight, a BMW i8 at full this thing about old Land Rovers?
IPS screen. So sound is loud, and it doesn't have problem to play video, of course. A voice recorder, and that's all. So play game, YouTube, all this we have added. So we tested the GPS, it's good. A Wi-Fi analyzer, so we installed it, the Wi-Fi is good also. Now what I want to test is how good is it for games. So let's go first play a few minutes of Modern Combat. So it's a nice intro, it's very fluid, no lag at all. Okay, let's have some action.
On me, move into cover.
Okay.
Strike 2 to Monarch. Target eliminated. Confirm extraction location. Over.
So it's no problem at all. Oops, I just press this key. Yeah. Resume.
Hold up. Come on. Let's go. Thanks.
Actually, it's a very good game. Gonna do a few seconds more and let's pass to the other game. Okay, let's pass to the other game. So here is our Ford Fusion, NASCAR Ford Fusion, and we're gonna race on this track, Richmond International Circuit. So it's quite sensitive. The definition is good. Gameplay is good also. So it's no problem at all for the Blackview with Real Racing 3. No lag at all also. We're gonna finish the race and go to the conclusion of the test. For the one that doesn't know Blackview, Blackview has concentrated its effort in 2015 to create some phone with a nice design. And for this first try for a Reg phone, I think it's a well-designed Reg phone. So let's go to the positive point about the phone. It's first, it has a very good battery. I ran this phone under YouTube, continuously playing, and it stopped after 10 hours and 47 minutes. I let it play also video. I put the plane mode and I put video in round, and it stopped after 15 minutes and 15 hours and 39 minutes. So the battery is good. Also the fact that it's using the new generation of CPU, it's also a very good point, because that means it's fast, and all has been upgraded. If you are looking at the GPS, so the GPS chips, it's much faster than its old CPU, the 32-bit CPU. Even though it's just 1 gig CPU in speed, it's still fast. We have seen there is no lag at all in game. The only thing that we have is if you play a heavy soft like Real Racing or Modern Combat, it will take time to load. So it can take, for example, 30 seconds between two races just to load the software. Besides that, all is good with the CPU. It's also run Android 5.1, so the latest version of Android. Marshmallow is not really yet available, so the version 6. It has 4G LTE, and it can be used also as a power bank, thanks to the big battery, so you can charge other phones with this Blackview. I'm sure it's dust-proof and waterproof. There are videos that show that, so I have no doubt about this. Now let's move to the bad or weak point of the phone. I think it's not really shock-proof. The case is, in my opinion, not reg enough, especially on the edge. It's hard plastic, so it's not a good thing if you have hard plastic here. And also I think the weakest point of all in the phone is the screen, because the screen is not integrated in the frame. We can see that it's just run above here, so if there is a shock here, I'm sure the screen will crack. So for me it's really the biggest weak point on the phone. Also, even though the camera has been improved compared to the phone we have reviewed almost during the whole year. It's still 8 megapixel with extrapolation to 13. So the video and the photos are not bad, it's what I said, but I would have preferred a real 13 megapixel from Sony or Samsung lens, and it's not the case here. Besides that, I don't have any complaint about the phone. I think for the price, which is under 200 US dollar, it's a bargain. So thanks for rushphoneco.com who has sent me this phone, and I see you guys soon for new reviews.